Makiria maruto ngiri 50 nio marikagia guthomera kothi tiganite university-ini guku bururi-ini o mwaka na thutha wa uguo makarika thabari-ini ya gwetha mawira kumana na kunderua mawira bururi-ini. Aciari nimoritie kuheaga ciana cia umweke wa guthomera mutaratara wa mathomo wa kimabũrũri uria mathukagira mieke kiheri.
Currently in Kenya, the system we are still in grey area whereby we are still groping in darkness so that to get our footing. But international curriculum is well established, especially Cambridge is an established curriculum that has existed over the decades. They have a proven track record. We have, they are balanced in their curriculum. They are student-centered. We find that their career paths and progressions are very clear, right from primary, lower secondary, IGCSE and A-level. So the curriculum is well structured, age appropriate, and well resourced.
Ataaramu wa mathomo makiuga ciana iria igeragira mutaratara ta IGCSE iheagwo muthingi murumu na wa gutura o undu umwe na kugia na mweke wa gwika igeranio ikurikanite thiini wa thi.
The career progression is well structured. The exams are standardized and we have a global recognition. So students taking any international curriculum can join any university in the world. And also in the workplace, they are recognized. Unlike where you do the local curriculum, you will have to convince that you are in a university in Kenya. But for international curriculum, you'll find that the job market in the world recognizes international curriculum as well as universities all over the world.
Matongoretio ni murutani munene wa Soma International School mwena wa Juja Peter Muirore arutani aya makauga thi gicenjia ciana cia Kenya itifati gutigwo na thutha. Ataaramu aya marĩtie ũrĩa bũrũri wa Kenya ũthiĩte na mbere na ũkinyanĩria mũtaratara wa mathomo wa CBE ũkinyanĩria ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgũmĩirwo nĩ mĩhĩnga kĩũndũ-rita.
We are focusing to nurture beyond the academics. That is emotional intelligence, critical thinking.
One important thing about Cambridge curriculum is that it's globally recognized. Yeah. So when you're doing Cambridge, you are able to transition maybe from one school here and then go to continue their studies in another country.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mathiũ Ndung'u wa Mbũgua.